What you see on your screen right now are called static ads, and static ads are the most slept on form of advertising when it comes to dropshipping. Making them just got a whole lot easier. But first, let's start from the beginning. What exactly are static ads? Now, static ads are ads which come in image format. Usually they contain features of the product, lifestyle images, and comparison tables. These ads are often preferred more than traditional video ads as they get you lower cost per mils. And having a lower CPM means that your ads get shown to more people for cheaper. Now you're probably wondering why all this time I've been telling you guys to use video ads. And that's simply because making video ads is free. Just rip content, edit it to fill your narrative, and make profit. Pretty simple, right? Now with image ads, you either need to learn graphic design from scratch or commission expensive static ad agencies. I'm talking about paying a company thousands of dollars a month just to create images for you. Sure, the image ads convert well, but everybody likes to save money. To the new ChatGPT 4.0 update, money isn't a factor anymore. Now let's talk about ChatGPT 4.0. So this update added abilities that allow users to instantly generate images. Your imagination is the limit. Just have a look at some of the images on your screen right now I was able to make just by prompting ChatGPT. Now, how does this relate to static ads? Well, doing this allows you to create replicas of ads just like this. Look at this prime advertisement and look at this one here that was recreated with ChatGPT. And in my opinion, the ChatGPT one is better. Now in this video, we're going to take a winning dropshipping product and take it through the entire journey of making static image ads and even creating AI UGC ads that we're going to use for the product. I'll be giving away all of these files to one lucky winner along with my Facebook ads strategy so that you can go ahead, test this store and make some profit. Now let's get straight into it. So here we have a winning product, and as you can see, this is some kind of beauty health product, which is very good because it's gonna go well with the UGC we'll create. Now I'm just going to read through their page a little bit to get an understanding of what this product is and how I should market it, and then I'm gonna feed that to ChatGPT and use that to create our ads. So I'm just gonna start it off with a basic description. This is my product. It has 5 types of intensive LEDs which all have different effects that bring various skin goals. And the content of the first product image I'm gonna create is going to have this, basically talking about how when this product is showing these different colors, it's performing a different function, as you can see right here. Now the thing about using ChatGPT is that you can either think of your own product images from scratch, you can sketch them. Just look at these sketches I drew earlier and turned into full-blown thumbnails. And third, you can just tell it to recreate some existing product images with a twist, which is exactly what we're going to do here. So here's a really good image ad that I found. So I'm just going to copy this, recreate this image ad in a 1-to-1 ratio. 1-to-1 meaning square. And then the background should be white. Alright guys, so I finally finished typing my prompt and ChatGPT is creating it, and this is what I told it: recreate this image ad in a 1-to-1 ratio. The background should be white and the header should say, "They thought my daughter and I were sisters." So obviously by that you can understand that I'm targeting an older audience that wants to take good care of their skin so that they can still look young, and most likely older women, because they're the ones that are going to compare themselves to their daughters. Now, replace the main product in the image with my product shown in image 2. Change the color of the LEDs on my product to be rainbow, so instead of red, because in this specific image ad I'm focusing on the multicolor features that it has, and those colors all do different things, which you can read right here. Bruh. Let's run it back. Let's run it back. Now we're gonna try again using this ad as reference. It's pretty much the same thing as the first one. And let's go. And you guys are just gonna get an idea of how fast ChatGPT does this. And if you don't like the way it's coming out, you can literally just tell it to stop. Center the text at the top. So now I'm basically telling that I want the text to look like this. Alright? And then add a hyper-realistic female pink nail. Look at how much easier this makes your work. Like already, okay, and it's going to do this perfectly. You have just saved so much money on a photo shoot because you'd have to rent out cameraman, model that's gonna hold your product, do all of this stuff that's gonna take hours and gonna cost money to just get a picture of a hand holding your product. But now with AI, if it messes up the product design, don't give up. Just tell it, create it and keep everything exactly the same. Alright guys, so I'm pretty satisfied with this result. It gives me a little issue when I tell it to switch up the colors, but like, this is crazy, bro. How much money did I just save by doing this? And again, I can still reprompt it, ask it to move the text a little bit, but that's just gonna drain time. Now it's time for us to talk about the AI UGC prompt. And to get that, I'm just going to be looking into the ebook that I released last week, which is a guide on how you're going to learn how to prompt ChatGPT like this, so that you don't have to keep asking people for the prompt. From giving it these images, I was able to create this UGC for this product and this UGC for this product, okay? And as you can see, there's even more down here. Like, this thing has a bunch of crazy prompts I'll show you guys in a minute. But let's create one for our product. So we're gonna copy that and edit what needs to be edited. Oh, and look at that. It made another one while we were waiting. Alright guys, as you can see, it's just about done. Again, if it messes up your product a little bit like it did here, don't even stress, just ask it to do it again. You know, I don't really need to prompt it. I feel like you guys get it, but if you don't, I'm gonna show you something that's actually crazy. I sent ChatGPT this picture, and this picture, and this picture, and from that, plus a prompt, it created this. I tried it again with another thumbnail. I just sent it these few pictures, bro. Okay? And it created this. I didn't really like this one though, so I asked it to do it again and it made a way better one. And I'm going to use both of these as thumbnails. The first one was probably the thumbnail for this video. And do you understand how crazy this is? Like, everything that I just showed you in this video would have taken weeks to do. Find a creator, find a photographer, find an editor, find all these things. Now you can just do it all from your laptop. AI just makes your job infinitely easier. And right now on the screen, you're gonna be looking at a bunch of other transformations I did using AI to put my face or my branding onto existing images and just make it all about me. YouTube thumbnails, whatever it is. This thing has no limit. Now I personally use the Plus plan, which is $20 a month, and I don't have any cooldowns on the image generation, because if you're using free, it'll give you like a 10-minute cooldown out of nowhere. If you guys would like my ebook, where I'm going to show you exactly how to create images like you've been seeing in this entire video, then it's gonna be in the description down below. It's only $5. I hope you can actually use the advice I've given you. Don't just watch it and then go on to watch the next video and have it evaporate. Sit down right now. I know you have a dropshipping store running. Sit down right now and create some banger image ads for your store, bro. Save your business. If you guys would like one-on-one mentorship from me, then just use the first link in the description that will take you to 2paidcommerce.com. And as for an update on my stores, as you can see here, yesterday I did $30 on one of these stores. New clothing brand I'm running. I can show you guys actually. Let's run it up, bro. And until next time, stay hard, keep grinding, and don't give up. Peace.